Once upon a time, in the depths of the forest, there lived a bright blue bird. Her name was Blue. Blue loved exploring the forest, but there was one thing that always scared her: the tall mountains. One day, Blue decided, "I won't be afraid anymore. I want to fly higher by crossing the mountains," she said. So, she gathered her courage and set off. Along the way, Blue made new friends: a red butterfly, a green frog, and a little rabbit. Each one encouraged her, saying, "You can do it, Blue." Finally, Blue managed to cross the tall mountains. From up high, she could see all the beauty of the forest, and she said, "I've overcome my fears." From that day on, Blue promised to always face her fears and chase her dreams.